Here is how you're gonna check the phone used time using your Android. Let's get started. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there, it depends on what you mean, because if you mean like the phone use time, meaning the time you are using the general phone or any app, or you might be looking to see how much time you spend on phone calls. And if you mean the phone calls, it's best if you open up the phone application on your phone. When I go to the recent section, I can tap on the three dots for more information and check out the total call time. And in here, I can see how much time I spent on the outgoing calls, incoming, and all together. So that's one way to check out the phone time, right? But if you mean the time you used various different apps for that, and just go to settings and find the digital well-being and parental controls menu, where you can see the time spent today, and at the top visualize with a graph or a chart. Then tap on it to expand it and even go back in time, so you can see a couple of days and weeks back, and you can see even switch between the apps and categories, because it might only show that you spend this amount of time on games and this this many minutes on productivity apps or social, but you can switch to the apps and see specifically which apps have been used in that period. So that's what you can see. You can as well find notifications below and how many times you have unlocked the device. So some really interesting information. On the main page, you also have the chart icon for the weekly report, which is showing you the peak usage times, most used apps, and also the daily average. So really interesting stuff which you can manage, and you can most definitely see it right here. So I hope it helps. I hope that I was able to show you what you needed. If you needed something else, then let me know about it. It's possible I'll make more videos like this, but stay tuned by subscribing so you don't actually miss it, and I'll see you in the next videos.